Right, I'm just going to make some tassel things that I want for a project. And I've chosen my picture canvas one. So we're going to use that one because it's pink, or it has pink in it. Now, I've had to double my thread because I want to make sure it's nice and strong. So let me just see if I can fix this. Like, got the knot in it. So I'm going to start off with a small, like a pink seed bead. And then I'm just going to split, because I've doubled my thread. This is the tricky bit because I can't see a damn thing. That's it. I need to split that because that's the end bead. Well, it didn't work. It didn't work because I didn't get it right. Oh, bum. Now, let me try that again. I'm going to do it this way. So I can thread it through that before I go down the bottom section. There, got it. Yeah, hopefully that's it. Now, I need this on the end first. So we're going to do that. I need this one, then one of these, then one of those. I've got to make sure I've done 6 of everything, or 12, so that's going to hold that. We don't need that yet. Oops. And then I think I'm going to do this one. They're not included, we don't want those. So that's 1, 2, so I need to make 6 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can get 3 on each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and I have one more for this. So I'm going to do that. Got some lovely pink beads here. Oh, I've just spotted that one. I forgot about that one. Hang on, hang fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I could use that, but look, hopefully I've got enough of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These crystals are beautiful. Those. Yeah. So I'm going to use the crystal first, I think. So we've got that. Oh, that's nice. Hang on, because I need to get one of these little crystals, I think. These are my pots of crystals. They're roundels. I have some huge ones, but it's the small ones I'm after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one I want to use is 6. Now I might change this, I'm just seeing what it looks like for now. It's the best thing, we can swap and change as we need to. So I'm going to add that, then add this bead, a metal bead, then add the small crystal, that's what I like. No, I'm going to take that off. I need to take that metal one off. So I need to put the pearl on. I want the bigger pearl first. So I've done that. Then the metal one. Then the small pearl. And then the small crystal. Now. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? I'm not sure if I should have swapped that for that. But no, I like that. Yeah. That's quite nice. But I've got to get a piece of trim. Yep, I'm going to use a piece of this. My gross grain. So, because it's a nice strong pink. And the fabric's nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to... I'm not going to use the bead cap, I'm going to use this. Although I could have used those for the bottom. Let me just see. Would it have looked nice? See, they can go on like that. No. So, I'm going to leave a good inch. And then we're going to sew this onto here. Now, this is going to get covered, so I'm not bothered that it's split that. It's just going to get covered. And I'm going to take that. Oops, don't want to do that, mate. And run it up the top. When it's glued on, that will help protect that and stop it from falling. You know, from coming apart. And I'm going to go back down. And then just simply cut that off. Oh, don't do that. I don't want to lose any of my beads. So that's one bit of trim there. Now, hang on. I'm going to put the longer ones on first. I may not put any more on. That's another thing you got to remember. Blooming phone, it never stops. And these nutters, how do they get your how do they get your phone numbers? Honest to God, it's unbelievable how they get to know who you are. And I'm thinking, how the... Blazes, that's what I was going to say, blazes. How the hell do they get your phone number? Like when we used to just have the normal phone, which we don't do it anymore. We don't have the normal phone, because I won't have it switched on. I won't use it, should I say. Because they're just random frigging callers, so we don't plug it in. And how do they get an X directory number and they still ring you? And then you go to that or that site and get them to turn the phone off. Oh God, it's going again. No, don't, 'cause I'm busy. Yeah, you get them to turn the, you know, to trace it or whatever, or block your number from anybody, and they still get it. No, I'm busy. Sorry. Ringing back again. You just have to wait. I know, but if it's Raymond, he'll be worried in case I've had an accident. Right. So, width of the thumb again. It's the last one now, I can answer him in a minute. Like I say, you can just cast it off there if you're not putting anything over the ribbon. But you could always put another piece of ribbon over so that you can't tell the stitching. Now this should fit my 4-inch wide tag. So let me just see. I need to cut that. I need to seal it. Yeah, and that, what I'm going to do is to just glue that down the back. Pop it down like that. And glue that onto there. And then when I glue it onto the project, it'll be fine. But let me just put all of these back in here. Oh, my phone's going. Okay, let's have a look. And that's the trim. I hope that's helpful. And I'm definitely going to use mine on a tag. I may need to do another 2 because it's a 4-inch wide tag. Unless I do it as that kind of tassel. Oh, no, I like that. You see, I like them closer together. Right, okay. We'll figure it out. I have no idea what I'm going to do for the tag. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.